Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. Today I am gonna show you how to replace your rear camera glass on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. If you need any parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Enjoy the video. As you see here, the rear camera glass is pretty much damaged and we will need to replace this. Okay, let's do some work. For first, I will need to heat up this rear glass a little bit with a heat gun. Just work maybe with 100 or 120 degrees Celsius, as if you use too much heat you can damage the camera. So just for a short time, maybe for 5 minutes or something like that. If you have experience, you can increase the heat, but not too much, and always keep a safe distance. Then you can use a screwdriver maybe, or a small pry tool, some tweezers, whichever you prefer. I'm using here a really small screwdriver and try to lift up the broken glass. Here you have to work really carefully and precisely, otherwise you can damage the camera lens or the camera itself. So please do this really carefully and really slowly. Each piece of glass you can remove step by step, and watch your eyes. Please put a protection on it to save your sight. As you see, I'm using here also the help of some knife, and I'm going under the glass and under the adhesive tape, the black one. It's much easier later to remove completely all the glass and all the adhesive tape. But as I said, you have to watch here and don't damage any lens. And it's almost removed. There we go. This is completely removed. Completely? I mean completely. Sorry about that. But my English will improve. Okay, now I'm using here a duster to remove all the small pieces of glass and all the small pieces of dust. It's a pretty handy tool. Now let's remove the leftover from the adhesive tape here, so we can stick in the new glass after that. Okay, so let's clean here all this stuff out, just to be sure there is no glass. And don't touch the lenses with your fingers, otherwise you will damage them or just make spots and the picture won't be clearly anymore. Okay, so now we need to use this double-sided adhesive tape, which was also provided with the back camera lens. So it's made by 3M, so it should be nice working and strong enough to hold the glass in the frame. Precisely put it maybe with some tweezers in the center and press gently everywhere, or go with the screwdriver around. And now let's take the rear camera glass and we will put it in place. So firstly remove the protection for the adhesive here, and then take your camera lens, I mean the rear camera glass, and be sure how it's correctly put in place. Where are the big holes and the small holes? Put it in place there and gently press everywhere to completely stick it in. And then you can also take a small cloth and press gently everywhere inside the frame. If you use a cloth, it's more secure and more precise. Nice job, by the way. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.